Look, are you fed up with having no cell signal, especially at your cottage? Do you find yourself going from room to room, looking for at least one bar so you can send a text message or make a phone call? Well, if this is you, I have a product I know you're really going to enjoy. This is the weboost Cellular Expansion Kit. Now, this is their second iteration of the cell booster, and I gotta tell ya, this thing is phenomenal. They've gone and cranked up the power, providing you with that much more cellular coverage, which makes this product that much more effective. Now, this is their second tier kit, which is good for up to 5,000 square feet. They also have a premium kit, which is good for up to 7,500 square feet. Now, keep in mind that these numbers are most likely line of sight, so you're not gonna get the same penetration range, but still, this product performs so much better and even looks that much better. For example, look at the indoor antenna. They've added this nice fabric to it, which adds to the overall appeal. Anyways, if you'd like to learn more about this product, or you'd like to inquire about a professional custom installation, please reach out to us here at McKee Security and Audio Systems, as we'd be happy to help.